Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix missing photos on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you have missed some of your photos, so let's see how can you find them. So the very first thing you just have to simply open your Photos app. Now in Photos section, you have to select this collection option here. And in collection, you have to look for your albums and you have to check that if you haven't moved any of your photo in any album here. Or you have to go back and here just select the featured photos option also that you haven't added any photo you featured which is hidden from your library section. Now once you have that, just scroll down and here just look for recently deleted. Just tap on this option here, then select view album, and you just have to try to check all of your recently deleted if your photo you're looking for is in your recently deleted section. If you find the photo here, you just have to try to restore it, or you can also try to delete all of them. If you don't find the photo here, once you have checked, you have to simply go back from here. If you didn't find the photo which you're looking for, you just have to open your settings tab here, tap on your Apple ID, and here just select iCloud. Here just select the iCloud option and just tap on iCloud photos, and you just have to make sure that sync this iPhone is enabled to get a backup of all of your photos. So here you just have to select this download and keep original option, or just tap on the sync now option, and your photos will be downloaded to your gallery. So if you find the photo in your backup, it will be downloaded on your gallery, so you can re-download the photo here. Or one thing you can do else, if you have installed Google Photos, so you have to also check for Google Photos backup that the photo which you are looking for is uploaded on your Google Photos backup. So if you find the photo here, you can also download it from here to your Files app. So in this way, you can easily find missing photos on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.